a link, a subscribe link that can be clicked on anywhere from wherever you put it. All you've got to do is go to YouTube channel. Once you go on your YouTube channel, you write here where it says right, you get your channel URL. Once you get your channel URL, you go back to the channels. You can click on one of your videos or something, just anywhere. If you want, you can write somewhere else, anywhere where you can write. So I'm going to just click this on my videos just to demonstrate. Remove this. Yes, so if you in the comment here, you're going to put your the URL, then you're going to write equals, then you're going to write sub, then you're going to write underscore, and then you're going to write confirmation like that. Then type equals 1, then that's it. So as you can see here, when somebody clicks on this link, it automatically asks them to subscribe. Yeah, I hope this video is going to help somebody. Thanks guys.